afternoon, good evening. I hope everyone had a wonderful day back to work after a long holiday weekend. Right now, what I'm going to do is clean my rice, and we're going to have some rice and peas, chicken, and some plantains. So, I'll be right back. This is what I'm going to use to make my rice. Some salt, some allspice, my beans, some thyme, and some coconut milk and water. So now, what I'm going to do is just pour this water in here. That was 1 cup, and let's see how much coconut milk will come up to. I already see a cup so far. Let's go a little bit more than a cup. Yep, that looks good. So I used 1 cup of regular, and now I'm going to use, it looks like almost 2 cups of coconut milk. Then I'm going to throw my thyme in there, some salt, and let this come to a boil. Pick of allspice. Just give this a nice little stir. And while this is coming to a boil, I'm going to start to hook up my chicken. Not into a complete boil yet, but I'm going to add these beans in there. Ooh. And give that a nice stir as well. Looks like my water is ready. It's time to add my rice. Let's give that a stir. And then, while my rice is cooking, I'm going to let my chicken stay marinating in the fridge. And let me show you guys that. Seasoning. I cut showing all of the seasonings all put out together because it takes too long and people just want to see me cook the food, so I cut out a few things. But my basic seasonings is garlic powder, onion. Allspice is my friend. Okay. And I'm going to mix this all together and put it in the fridge. Add a piece of thyme in here also and put it in the fridge. Okay. Let's pray to the rice gods. I'm going to cover it. Chicken, but what I'm gonna do is something different. I'm always trying some craziness stuff with you guys. So let's put some garlic in there, and I'm gonna use that to fry my chicken. I want my oil to be like garlicky oil, if that sounds right. Like it's ready. I added my new fresh garlic, and let's hook up this chicken. Ooh. That's because of the marinade. And yes, I'm going to fry the thyme in there with it too. As soon as it gets too brown, I'm going to take it out. But I got to take this garlic out now. Take these little garlics out of there because I can't mix the chicken. I'm about to eat this whole thing. That was good. Okay, take these out. I can't eat those because they're already in raw chicken. And I'll come back. And we'll start lining up, taking this thyme and moving it to the side. Because you don't want burnt nothing in there. You don't want to make the chicken taste weird. Ooh, look at that. And it smells so good. Come on. Okay. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to brown this. Okay, so I'm all done. My chicken is all ready. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute some onions and garlic and a little bit of Scotch bonnet and some oil. Let me do that because I can't do it with one. Get a little translucent, which they already are. They're brown and fast. And now I'm going to add the star of the show, ketchup. Let me give it a nice stir. Chicken. And then I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth. Let's silence this. juice and cover the chicken. And then I'm going to turn it down low and let it stew. So I just came in for an update and I took a piece of this chicken off and it looks perfectly well done. So I think I'm done. Let's try it. Let's try it. Perfect. Time to hook up a plate. Come on, just stick together.